So before we start finishing with step 3, I just wanna share this information with everybody. I did create 9 kits. It is $15. Page protectors are not included, but everything is pre-cut for you, and even all these interactive pieces all cut out and scored for you. If you would like to buy the page protector, 2 page protector, it will be extra $3. Let me show you what's in the bag. So you have your left page and your right page. Here is all your interactive elements already cut out and scored for you. All you need to do is fold that. And of course, everything else is pre-cut and organized for you. Alright, now let's move on and I show you how I manipulated my page protector so that this element fits in there. For this demonstration, I am going to use only a plain white cardstock. First, you want to attach your element to your page. Second, we are going to put this page inside the page protector. Of course, I am using close to my heart page protector. And if you have a top loading or side loading page protector, this process will work. Please confirm that you insert the page correctly all the way down because we need to create a hole in our page. If you insert your page incorrectly, then this will not work and you will cut a hole in the wrong area. And now I took my journaling pen and I marked the 4 corners. After you're done marking your 4 corners, please take your page out of the page protector. If you have a cutting mat, use that, but if you don't, just get a piece of cardboard and insert just like I do in here. See, here is my 4 tick marks. If you have a detail knife, of course yours might be look different, use that. But if you don't, use your detail scissors. I am going to use the cardboard and my detail scissors just to show you that you still can do it even if you don't have those items. I took my straight edge ruler. I lined up each tick mark and then I took my scissors and I cut along like this. And I did that to all 4 sides. So sorry about my head. So ladies, if yours didn't cut the first time, just like in here for me, it's not a big deal. Just cut it again using the line you created with the first cut. See, I am using the line I created with the first cut. Again, I am using the line I created with my first cut. If you did everything correctly, you will end up with a little window, and that piece what you cut out, you will not need it. You can just throw it out. We have one more thing to do is insert the page. Be patient with that, don't force anything. I recommend coming behind, grabbing your page protector to help guide it in. Just like that. Look at that. I love this so much. I hope you enjoyed creating this fun element to your page. Basically, we are all done. You can stop here. But if you created a template and want to know what to do with it, please continue watching. When I'm learning something new, I always creating a template for myself. This way, if I want to create again, all I have to do is find my templates. Most of the time, I make two sets. One set I put it together like I did in here, and the other set I leave it just like this. Believe it or not, many times I even leave some notes for myself. Trust me, this is going to be very helpful for you later. Then I usually put everything together, put a rubber band around it, and I put it away. I hope this information was helpful for you. Bye now.